work on there, but it seems to come off fairly easy. I would say this would either be a normal maintenance or it would take up to an hour and a half. I did see that there is a collar zinc. There is not enough room for a shaft zinc. I don't know the exact size because there just wasn't enough room for my measuring tape. So I want to say it's probably about a 1 1/8 inch. Could be wrong. So I'm gonna try and talk with the customer beforehand.